I'm breaking all the records. I mean, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. Welcome back to Smokies Plus. We're here at the newest mountain coaster in the Smoky Mountains. It's a racing mountain coaster. There's Alex right there. We're side by side in tracks here. We're going to see who's the fastest. Come join us. Gentlemen, start your engines. Oh, here we go!
Are you supposed to go down at that part?
I don't know, but I just passed you already. I don't know if it makes a difference.
I think that's on purpose, probably.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Full speed ahead, no brakes. I know, I love that, like, it has some give to it, where it feels like you're like...
Alright, I think that you were pushing down before I was trying to catch.
That's cool. So it's a lap-based system. You got lap 1, lap 2. Very, very cool. To have 2 coasters going at the same time. Really, really unique. Here we get ready for lap 2. There we go. Oh. Okay, and you can see on here they have the red side and the blue side, and on there it actually gives you the lap times and the combined, so you know which car you are, and then you can see what your time is compared to other people. There was mine. You can compare that to yours when you come. 4 minutes 43 seconds. See if you can beat Bob. Alright, so that was the racing coaster here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. The newest mountain coaster here in the Great Smoky Mountains. My immediate impressions, it was very intense, very fast. I love the racing element, that you can see your lap times and things. I love that they keep your lap times, and you can kind of see how you stack up against the people that you've come with. That's really cool. There was an intensity on that second lap that you don't typically feel on most mountain coasters. It did absolutely feel like you're going to fly off the track, and the height over the parking lot where you were was pretty crazy too. To be able to look down. Usually you're not very far off of the ground when you're in a mountain coaster. So highly recommend that.
And
yeah,
red side is faster.
Yeah,
by a lot.
Yeah, so when we're comparing speeds, it definitely looked like red side was a good bit faster and a little more intense. So if you want a little faster kart, definitely, from our experience anyway, looked like red side's the one to do. So I showed the prices, a little bit more than what you normally would pay for mountain coaster, but it is also a different experience. So keep that in mind when you're looking at prices, because there really isn't another mountain coaster like it. But that'll do it. This has been another video from the Great Smoky Mountains.
We hope you have a great day.
God bless.